Friends, the past 6 years have been the most volatile and uncertain in several decades. COVID-19 increased geopolitical frictions, conflicts and wars, energy market disruptions, supply chain fragmentation, sharp swings in commodity prices, and shifting capital market dynamics have combined to create a far more unpredictable global operating environment than before. The war in West Asia added to these problems. However, tough times never last. Tough nations do. And India is among the most resilient nations in the world. With unity, positivity, and self-confidence, we have overcome the worst crisis in the past. Under the able, experienced, and far-sighted leadership of Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, India has handled the situation with exemplary competence, commitment, and wisdom. I can see India emerging much stronger in the fast-changing multipolar world. India will play the role of a balancer, a promoter of peace, and a friend to all. This is not merely my hope, it is my confidence and my conviction. Friends, the most important lesson